Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Design. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to be reorganizing my laundry room. Okay, here's the before look of the laundry room. It's not a very big room. Let's see if we can back up. Standing at the door, there's shelves up there along the top edge there near the ceiling. A washer and dryer, some makeshift little shelves over here, and then this full unit of shelves. Have the vacuum cleaner, broom and dustpan, place to hang hats. Then there's a little storage area here that never got a door over it. And then recently the cat litter box has been moved in here, which makes it kind of inconvenient, but for the other areas in the house, this seems to work the best. So that's the before picture. Needs a lot of work. If you have a room that you need to reorganize or refresh a little bit, join me today. I'm going to do it in a few different steps. First, grab a trash bag and a basket or some other container that you can use to just toss things that you want to relocate in your home, okay, or to donate. So a trash bag, as we go through, I can throw plenty of things away in here, I'm sure. So the steps that I'm going to use in this today will be: 1, clear the room. So I'm going to go through, take out things that I can remove, and then the second step is going to be to clean the room, and third, we will reintroduce items that we're going to keep in here and have them organized nicer than what they are right now. So if you want to join me, grab your trash bag and your basket, and we will just start decluttering. Okay? So you go ahead and start decluttering and getting things out of the area that you don't need to use or that you don't need to keep in your room. And I'll do the same. And whenever I get it cleaned out with less items in here, I'll check back with you. I have pulled the rugs up off the floor and have them in the washer going there, so that can be doing its thing while I'm still emptying the room. I have just about everything out of here that's going to be out. I've gone through the shelves here, cleaned the items on the top 2 shelves, and then straightened up these baskets. And these baskets that I used, these down here were some that I'd picked up at Ross. These had lids. These down here did not. And I just took a piece of cardboard, attached them back over here so that they would have lids and look a little bit neater here on this shelf. So far, it looks like these little shelves that I got from Amazon are gonna go together pretty nicely. And there were instructions included, so that was nice. It's getting a little bit warm in here using the drill and the screwdriver, well, the drill mostly. But I have the top screws in, and of course I'm running to a stud, and actually this one is right beside a stud, so these are nice and, well, they were nice and sturdy. So what I'm going to have to do is try to get this one up a little bit more, because this is in as good as it will do, and it's not quite holding it. Here's the laundry room after cleaning. And organizing, I like the laundry detergent and the fabric softener and these dispensers. It makes it very handy to use. Is that I have hangers that I can reach. So whenever I have clothes that I don't want to put in the dryer, I can hang them up. And there's nice shelves above them. Right now I just have some little decorative things, but overall I'm happy with the way this turned out. And if you were cleaning with me today or the last couple of days, I hope the room that you were working on turned out great as well. Here's the finished laundry room the next morning. It's always so fun to walk into a room that you've worked on the next day and be reminded of how much better it looks. There's extra storage over here. Room for everything. Really brightened my day to walk in here today. I hope it inspired you. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please check back often for new content and ideas. It really is in the smallest details that you can enhance your home and make it just as unique as you are. Bye-bye.